Click on the link below to get price. The M1 electric bike for adults is a remarkable fusion of power, durability, and versatility, making it a standout choice for both commuting and recreational riding. Equipped with an impressive 1800W peak motor, this bike offers exhilarating speed and acceleration, reaching up to 30 miles per hour on flat surfaces. The 26X4 Zero-fat tires provide exceptional stability and traction, allowing for smooth rides on various terrains, including urban streets and rugged trails. One of the bike's most appealing features is its robust construction. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only contributes to its lightweight nature but also ensures durability. Riders will appreciate the thoughtful design that accommodates a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The bike's adjustable seat and handlebars allow for a customizable fit, enhancing comfort during longer rides. The M1 electric bike also prioritizes safety and control. It features front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. Additionally, the bike is equipped with bright LED lights for increased visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring that safety is never compromised. Battery life is another strong suit of the M1. With a removable 48V12A lithium-ion battery, riders can expect a range of 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode used. The battery is easy to charge and can be replenished in about 4 to 6 hours, making it convenient for daily use. While the bike's price point may be higher than some budget options, the performance, build quality, and features justify the investment. Overall, the M1 electric bike for adults with its powerful motor, sturdy construction, and thoughtful design elements offers amazing value for anyone looking to enhance their riding experience. Whether for city commuting or weekend adventures, this electric bike delivers on all fronts, making it a wise choice for those seeking both performance and reliability in an electric ride.